Salpukan ng Sarangani versus Mindoro. Tampok si Kit Jimenez ang lulupet ng mga pasa. Kasama ang kanyang Mavs teammate na si Richard Velches. Solid na solid pa din ang kanilang chemistry.
Shooting that's missing on that side of the floor.
Naglambitin sa ere si Kit at nagpakawala na naman ng napakalayong tres. Basic na basic.
Of 11.
Last few possessions between these two. Oh, that's
Yes!
Grabe din mga kakampi ni Ken Bono. Nagpaulan ng tres. Panoodin ang full game highlights, mga ka-big time.
Yan ang slam dunk, Coach Mike. Alley-oop pa.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Danny Ashen Andrews in that previous game. And sigurado ko ang hope nila is
Natutukoyan natin between Sarangani and Mindoro.
but if you swing it over to the defensive side, this really favors more Mindoro. Mindoro is more.
Now he whips that pass to Ino Homeboy who drives. Corner pocket shot from Bam Bam Gamalinda is good. That's a three-pointer.
Their offensive rebound, they immediately try to look for a shot.
Pasok lamang na si Kit Jimenez. Splitting two defenders. Bounce pass
wow.
inside. Velches though could not finish. It's just the three-point shooting that's missing on that side of the floor as Richard Velches. That time hindi na binigo yung pasa doon.
Supposed to tingnan natin kung may fast break tayo. Very rare do they get into that. Homeboy is one of the reasons why. Still, Inigo watching.
Diputado buries a free on the left wing.
Two teams. Nasa 20% field goal makes na. Good cut and good finish.
Another assist from Kit Jimenez.
Kaya minsan, kung ikaw ang kalaban nitong Sarangani, you have to be mindful. See this good drive here by RJ Ramirez. You have to be mindful.
Started by Branre Bienes. Gozom, nice pass inside to King Destacamento. Offense.
Kahit pa paano, medyo maganda na yung conversion over the last few possessions between these two. Oh, that's way
Napakalayong
outside.
tres! Binisik lang ni Kit Jimenez.
Earlier from roughly about 20% because of good passes, and this is the only shot that he took in the first quarter. He's their second best defensive rebounding guy. Si Kit Jimenez with about 5.5 defensive rebounds per game. Jimenez to be the one to initiate and get the reads and make the decisions on the floor. As you see RB bring us right there, knocking it down from the perimeter.
Gozom, King Destacamento, and Rev Diputado. Steal by Joseph Sedorifa. Drop pass, RJ, basket and one after getting fouled by Kit Jimenez.
Which he settled for that wing three. And good thing they got the offensive rebound.
Oh, what an athletic move to the basket by King Destacamento. Diputado. Alves goes inside. Oh, great pass. Magaganda yung mga pasan ngayon ng Sarangani dito, Coach Mike.
Tsaka sila
surveying the floor. He attacks. The pass inside. Lars Zunga with an end-one opportunity after that basket. Ino Homeboy has yet to get it going. Now he fires a free. That's gonna be good para dito kay Ino Homeboy.
Do a difficult pass. A three right here for Ino.
Malayo yan, but able to make it for the guys in blue. Sedorifa, Bam Bam Gamalinda, Axel Inigo, Ino Homeboy, and Ashen Andrews. Gamalinda hitting that outside jumper.
Scoring, but you have to be consistent din na pagdepensa sa kanya in feeding. Wow, what a shot right there by Sedorifa.
That was over the outs. Inigo tatakbo. Pasa kay Sedorifa. The extra feed. Homeboy back to Joseph. Back-to-back freeze for Joseph Sedorifa.
Wow.
Zunga can't hit it. Sedorifa is feeling it right now. 3 straight frees for Joseph Sedorifa.
That part.
Sa loob, Destacamento of that pass from J. Mark Malyari. Malyari sasalaksak sa loob. Ginamit ang kanyang kaliwa.
Twice already he's finished that left side of the floor.
Oh, great pass. That's a great outlet pass. Sarangani gusto na rin may pagtakbuhan dito. This is their brand of basketball.
Everything else almost the same.
Ito isa sa paboritong tira ni Ino Comboy. Off that pass, off that flare. Sa ligang yun.
Why not? Coach Christian pa. Oh, what a move.
Oh, Ray Bienes. Able to maneuver inside the paint. Shooting really well from the field. Coach Mike, 9 of 11. Kit Jimenez though, burying a free from the left wing. Cuts this tibo. Given that how they're playing right now, playing with a lot of pace, a lot of space, and much like ito, no, part of their DNA itong
Dami rin kasi nagbago ngayon.
yan ang slam dunk, Coach Mike. Alley-oop pa. Game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
Ganda ng pagkaka-setup. Ano to make a decision.
RJ to Ino.
Yan ang masakit.
5-3 na para kay Ino Comboy for a total of 7 boy. But ball still in play. June Manzo able to knife his way to the basket.
Good drive by off cutting, pero una-una, feeling ko bagal nung cut, ang taas rin ng pasa.
Ray Bienes with a big win against Zamboanga actually. Naman natin, Zamboanga is at the top of the South Division right now as we see that layup from Kit Jimenez. Sa atin ng extreme cool air conditioners. Ang extreme magpalamig free installation for split type air conditioners. Kit Jimenez planning.
Sabi mo nga kanina, pang dead last sila sa 3-point attempts, no? Averaging 20 and only 4 makes a game. But
yun ang problema.
Yun ang problema, correct.
Tumatama na yung tres ng Mindoro.
That's the 10th 3-pointer already for Mindoro, and so far this improvements on the efficiency from that side of the floor. Another one right here.
Sedurifa again. Tagal na rin yun, ha? That was way back last month. Joseph Sedurifa. That was
open guys and rollers, and really just go rotation para dito sa Sarangani.
Again, the right pass and the right target. Sedurifa. Last 2 minutes of the game. Mindoro seems like they will bounce back from that heartbreaking loss against Pasig.
Then they're gonna sink a little bit deeper at that 5 and 11, and the company that you have there
that could break down the defense,
but
really attack the basket.
Yeah, but one can argue that J. Mark Malyari was there. He could have, I'd like to think he's a good scorer as well. See J. Mark Malyari, he's got a good head on his shoulder and good reads and good decision making.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!